How to create POF account. So if you want to create a Plenty of Fish account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser which you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply click on the search bar and search for POF, which is Plenty of Fish, and here it will have this www.pof.com. Click on that. And now if you want to create an account, then you can simply go for register, which is here on the upper right. Click on register, and now you can go for sign up, which is here. So first you have to enter your first name, so you can enter that and then click on sign up. And now you have to tell who you are, like you have to enter your gender. And then if you want to show your gender on your profile, then you can click here and you can click on next. And now pick what best fits you below. So you can choose any one of these options according to your type. And then next, you have to enter your date of birth. And after that, click on next. And now you have to enter your country, which country you live in. And then your city, your postal code, and then your state or province. And then click on next. And now you need to enter your email. So first you have to enter your email address once, and then again on the next blank you have to confirm your email address. And after entering your email address, now you can click on next. And now you have to choose a username and then your password. So choose a username, and then you have to create a password. So make sure to create a strong password. And here on the next blank, you have to again confirm your password. And if you want to receive some marketing communication about your products and services, then you can click on this box and then click on next. And that's it. That's how you create your POF account. And now you can simply go for sign in, and then you can sign into your account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.